In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split typography animation in Canva. This is a fun and creative way to add a dynamic touch to your videos, and you'll be surprised how quick and easy it is to achieve this effect. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Canva, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. So let's dive in. First, you need to open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up. And once you're in, navigate to the home page. Next, you'll want to create a new design. To do this, look for the Create a Design button, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it and select Video from the drop-down menu. This will open a new canvas specifically tailored for video projects. Now comes the fun part, adding text. On the sidebar, you'll see the text option. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be able to type in the word or text you want to animate. Make your choice of font, color, and size according to what you feel works best for your project. Feel free to experiment with different styles here to make the text really pop. Once you're happy with the text design, it's time to save it as a PNG. This step is crucial as it allows you to manipulate the text more freely in the next stages. Saving the text as a PNG is straightforward. Simply click the share button at the top and select Download, choosing the PNG format. After that, upload the image back into Canva. This might seem like a redundant step, but it sets you up perfectly for the next stage. With your text image uploaded, it's time to create the split effect. Duplicate your image by selecting it and using the copy option. Now you should have two identical images. Position them in a way that allows you to see both images clearly. With each image, use Canva's cropping tools to split them in half. You should now have two halves of your original text. This is what creates the dynamic split effect. Next, you'll want to add animations to these split pieces. Click on each element and select the animate option from the toolbar. Canva offers numerous animation styles, so take a moment to browse through and choose the one that best suits your design and adds the flair you're looking for. Finally, after applying the animations and reviewing your work, it's time to save your project. Click the Share button again, and this time, download your video as an MP4 file. This file format will preserve the animation you've applied, making it ready to post or share wherever you choose. And that's it. You've successfully created a split typography animation in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to explore more creative projects with Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.